Hey guys, welcome to this vlog. So it's currently 8:03 in the morning, so my shift just ended a couple hours ago. So I'm getting ready to go to bed, but before I can go to sleep, one of my coworkers was down in the same town that my parents live in, and my parents had like some stuff they were gonna mail up to me, like Christmas gifts and some groceries and stuff. So because my coworker was in town, they said, "Oh yeah, I can just put them in my car and bring them up to you instead of them having to mail it." So I'm waiting for them to get here, and I'll show you guys what I got.
Um, Two things I like the most about. Oh my god, am I bleeding? Uh, I cut myself shaving. Um, Two of the things I like the most about living on my own in my trailer, besides getting to smell like myself, is whenever I'm thirsty, I don't have to get a cup. I can just. Please, nobody take that footage out of context.
Um, because my propane tank is out, I have to wait until the 10th to get it refilled. So, for about the next week, I'm going to be living off nothing but Hot Pockets. And that sucks because the only kind of Hot Pockets I have are the ham and cheese ones, which aren't my favorite. Um, I'm fond of the pepperoni pizza Hot Pockets. Hi, Wyatt. Um, but my favorite easily is the broccoli and chicken. That's just a good combination with like anything. I've actually never been a cinnamon toast crunch guy, and I do not have any milk to eat this with. I am going to be getting some later today when my groceries arrive. Um, this is good. I talked to one of my coworkers who lives in the employee housing trailers, and they're going to let me come and use their kitchen at some point, so I can cook, some of the food that's just sitting in my fridge that I can't use because I can't fire up the stove. So I'll probably vlog what I cook. I'm probably going to go over there tomorrow night. So yeah, I am not exactly sure what I'll make yet, though. Hello. Hello. Camera shy. So it just occurred to me that I haven't really gone beyond like the property, whatever. So I'm gonna do a little 127 hours and see what it's like, up there. There's there's actually a lot of like just I mean of course there is because it's a forest, but uh I've been wanting to have another bonfire because the last one I didn't capture it on video. There's plenty of firewood around here, so I was worried about having. Hello. Um, I So I guess a lot of people around here bring up like terabytes and stuff full of like terabyte hard drives full of like movies and stuff. And I have a bunch of horror movies and anime, and I was talking to some coworkers, and I guess it's a hot commodity around here, so I'm going to be helping out some people and giving them copies of movies and stuff. Oh God, if any copyright lawyer hears that, I am fucked. Hey guys. So I got off work a few hours ago. Um, don't really have much going on today, besides working later on tonight. The coworker I mentioned earlier in the video, who has some stuff to bring up to me, had like some kind of medical thing, so they did not end up coming into work yesterday, and they stayed down, like whatever. So later today they should be arriving with my stuff, so I can show you guys that. I think I'm gonna make some meatball skewers for meal today, and I'd like to do it over a campfire. So I'm gathering just like some logs. I'm not even up the mountain at all. I'm just like at the base. Uh, this where I'm at right now is like a little area. Like obviously not in front of me. It's behind the camera, but it's like a little area for people to like go down on sleds and stuff, like away from the skiers. And I didn't know it was here. It's actually really peaceful. I might film if I do want to do like some outside filming. I could do it out here. I don't know. There's like the small hill. Actually, I haven't gone up, but I should go see what it's like. Actually, this isn't the right kind of snow. It's like really compact and stuff. It's not that wet. The next time it snows, when it's like, wet and sticky. Now that I'm at this hill, I can try to actually like roll a snowball and see if like the titular snowball effect is like a real thing. I'm sure it is, because where else would it be named after that? I think there's the remains of a snowman right here. Huh. I think this should be enough. Hi. Hello. Yeah, you fuck up that snow. Get it, bitch. God, I want to be friends with that bird. Another really cool discovery I just made today, now that I'm exploring the mountain. Do you guys know that movie Bridge to Terabithia? Because you will not believe who I just ran into. An ancient rope swing. I am 6'1", 185 pounds, but do I want to risk it? Ah, fuck it. Oh, yeah, it should be fine. So, my camera, or my phone, is currently placed on a rock, which I just realized I have to use as a step to like wrap my legs around it, I think. Oh god, I'm terrified. This is... Oh, I'm a pussy. Oh. I have no fucking clue how these kids are getting on this thing. Oh, to be young. Okay, I think I got it. This isn't for legs, it's for holding on to. So we're coming up on another far corner, end of the property. This one is a lot more accessible to get into, and it looks like there's already some paths in the snow. So I'm guessing a lot of people come back here. So right now I just have my meat thawing out. I just washed my dishes. I'm going to make the meatballs once I get back from here. I just want to look around. I'm guessing some kind of animal probably sleeps down there at night. Either that or Frodo is gonna hide from the ring race. Oh, fuck me. There's like a circle of trees right here, and it's like sheltered and hidden. If I was a kid, this would be like perfect secret fort material. Absolutely. I just realized that I'm pretty close to the river, actually. I think as long as I don't go past any trees, I should be fine in terms of, any ice that I could fall through. Can't really see much of the water, but I didn't know all this was back here. I mean, I knew something was back here, but wow. I'm planning on trying to start walking more, for exercise and shit, so I'm gonna be coming back here a lot, I think. And it's private, I can film shit out here. It's great. I want to see if my phone's camera can pick up the echo that's out here. Now, as much as I'm loving being out in nature and shit, I can absolutely see nature, the woods being terrifying. I'm thinking oh, yeah, nature, and then I think of Blair Witch Project, and a shiver goes down my spine. The meat wasn't as defrosted as I wanted it to be, so it was basically still frozen solid. I'm defrosting it in the microwave. Do you guys know if that was bad for the meat or something? I mean, there's probably a reason why there's a button for it, but I just don't know. So a real simple recipe for my meatballs, just 2 pieces of cheese, 2 eggs, 1 pound of ground beef, uh, some jalapenos chunked, uh, diced or whatever, some diced onions, and I was out of flour, but what I found in my cabinet is spicy like stuffing for like turkeys, so I crushed it to use as a substitute, and then you just combine it all together and roll it into a ball. Okay, the meatballs are all ready. They are gonna be in the freezer while I get the fire started. I just washed these dishes; they're drying, but the stuff gets cluttered in here kind of quickly. But I'm kind of neurotic and like a compulsive organizer, so I've been on the ball, but I just haven't for the past couple of days. Oh God, I sound like Amberlynn Reed. Okay, so yeah, we're trying to get the fire going out here. I have some like tenderwood wrapped in a newspaper. Okay, so while I'm getting the fire ready, my coworker arrived and I got the stuff from my home, from my parents' house, whatever. This is just groceries. I got this. Pennywise with blade. And outside is a box of other stuff I'm gonna go through. Okay, so right now the fire is going. I'm gonna let it burn for a while to get the bed of coals ready for the skewers. I got a box in front of me right now of just stuff from home. A few Christmas gifts. There's some stuff in the bottom. I'm gonna open it. This is from my godfather Vinny. It is an men's extra large snow jacket. Thank you. It's very nice. Let's see. This doesn't say who it's from. It is. Oh. It is a tie-dye kit, which I this summer started doing tie-dyes with my niece, and I really got hooked on doing it. I tie-dyed basically everything I own. So can't wait to do that again. This also has no name attached to it. It is a shirt which says, "I used to be a people person, but people ruined it." Thank you very much, whoever sent me that. Then from my cousin Tracy, I got an electric kettle, which I have desperately needed, so thank you very much, Tracy. I got my new driver's license, and the photo on it is terrible because the man did not let me know that he was going to be taking the photo. Let's see. I got a bunch of Quaker oatmeals, which I'm going to start taking with me to work, because I haven't really been eating dinner or going to lunch at work, just because like at that point in the night I'm not really hungry. So yeah. Let's see. Fuck. A whole crate of boxed ramen. I love cup noodles. They've saved a continent. And I don't even know how to introduce this. I'm so excited. Like, this is like a genuine reaction. Daryl's back. Alright, getting the shish kebabs ready to go on the fire, then wrap them in aluminum foil so they, stay together. Okay, I believe the skewers are done, so let's see how they look. Kind of hard to do this one-handed, but oh yeah, they look really good. Okay, taste test. I know people hate watching other people eat on YouTube, and I hate it too, but whatever. Yeah, they came out really good. A lot better than the last ones I made. Yeah, there's no way I'm going to eat all these. I'm going to take them to work with me tonight. So, just finished eating. Very full. I'm going to take a walk to walk it off. I was informed that in the general area that I was at, if I kept going earlier when I was walking in the mountain, I mean, if I had kept walking down the trail, I guess there's like a frozen pool or something. And I really want to go see it, so I think I'll walk out there and then call it for this vlog. But first, I gotta put the fire out. Probably gonna need more than that. Okay, so I'm back out on the trail. I'm gonna try and see if I can find this Indian pool, which people say is pretty neat. Okay, guys, so made it up here. It's really tranquil. I like it. I'll probably come up here again when I have some more equipment so I can explore even more. So that'll do it for this vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.